Hi, I'm growing 4 different type of vegetables at indoor without worry about looking for an open field. So anyone can do this at their home or office. So you can see each of the tray here I have planted one type of vegetables. So there are 4 different type of vegetables on my this 4 layer of tray. And so each of the layer have 2 UV light tube that will be provide the photosynthesis process to the vegetables. So without sunlight they can grow without any issue. And for watering, I built a system where each of the tray have 2 soil sensor. So when the soil sensor detect the soil is dry, it will start spraying water from the top here. So now it's wet, so the water nozzle will not be spraying any water. So let's say I take out the soil sensor, then the water is start spraying. Okay. So when I put back again, the water will stop spraying. Okay. Then the same thing process applying to all the level of the different type of vegetables. Okay. So you can see here, the first one I plant sweet pea, second one is white radish, third one is bamboo kangkong, and last one is sunflower. This is at the 7 days, so it's 1 week after I plant the seed. And I have the water tank here that will be pumped by the 4 water pump here to provide the water as you see just now. And the sensor wiring, I put it on the bottom there. All those data generated from this indoor farming will be able to pass to the cloud as I connect it to the ESP32. So it's a Wi-Fi built-in. The data will be passing to any cloud platform, and the data gathered there can be used for further analytic purpose. Thank you.